Sorry guys, I stopped the video because there was no storage left in my computer. So now I am shooting the part 2 of this unboxing of these Realme Wireless Buds 2 Pro. So let's continue. So inside this polythene, I am getting a tax invoice here. As you can see here, the price of this is 2299 for this Realme Buds Wireless 2 base gray. You can read the tax invoice if you want. Okay, now let's check what's inside the box. uh, I have ordered the gray color, not this. Yes, the color is gray. And see here the configuration and the features of this is written like ANC, LDAC, dart charging, base boost driver, and it supports also 88 millisecond super low latency, which is for gaming, but I don't recommend this for gaming purposes. And the MRP is 3499. Okay, and the country of origin is China. यार चाइना का माल है. So let's unbox this one. So here are the neck bands, and there is nothing inside. See, so see, these are the neck bands. I'm going to open it now. Pull all the way here, here, a little bit more. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Hmm. Yes, the see, you can twist it as many times as you want, and it won't break. And these two earpieces are magnetic. See, if you connect these two, then this will go on a standby mode, and if you disconnect these two apart, then it will go on a BT search mode. See, now it is searching for a Bluetooth connection. And see, there is a power button and volume rockers, which you which you can use to raise or decrease the volume, increase decrease the volume, and you can use the power button to switch it off. See, I really like the red color here in the magnets. And see, there is a USB type C charging port right there. So nowadays most of the smartphones support type C charging, so it comes in very handy rather than just micro USB 2.0. And what's inside that? Here is it. Different sizes of earpieces, you can adjust it according to your ears. And see, the the length of the cord is really tiny. Okay, and there is no power adapter inside this. And see, a type C charging data cable. And here is nothing, so we don't have a power adapter in there. And now I'm going to connect it to my phone and use all of the features, and we'll download the Realme Buds app, and we'll try to customize some setting for me. And I will if you guys want, then please let me know in the comment section whether you want a detailed video of how it's functioning, how is the audio quality, how is the ANC working in traffic noises, in different surroundings, etc., in environment. Then I will make a video of that. That's all for the video. See you guys later.